Use a sweet, water-soluble bait to carry borax back to the colony so ants feed it to the queen. For homemade borax ant bait, effective honey alternatives include granulated sugar, maple syrup, and corn syrup because each dissolves or mixes with water and attracts foraging ants. Use 1 cup of warm water, dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar or replace that sugar with an equal volume of maple syrup or corn syrup, then stir in 1 tablespoon of borax until fully combined. Warm water helps the borax dissolve and makes a uniform liquid bait. If using granulated sugar, ensure it is completely dissolved so tiny crystals do not deter worker ants, and consider straining to remove undissolved particles. For thicker syrups like maple or corn syrup, thin with a little warm water until the consistency easily soaks into cotton or paper bait stations so ants can access it without drowning. Place the bait where you see trails but away from children and pets, in sealed containers with small entry points, or under lids with drilled holes to limit access. Refresh bait every 3 to 5 days or when it is dry or contaminated, and avoid spraying insecticide near bait placements because that can repel ants and prevent transfer of borax to the colony. If allergies or dietary concerns are the reason for avoiding honey, choose the simplest attractant available locally and test a small amount on a tray to confirm ant interest before deploying widely. Common mistakes are using too much borax, which kills worker ants too quickly and prevents transfer of the poison to the queen, so reduce borax to about 1 tablespoon per 2 cups of sugar solution to maintain a slow-acting dose. Another issue is placing bait in areas accessible to children or pets, which risks accidental ingestion, so use sealed bait stations or small containers with narrow entry holes and keep them out of reach. A third problem is contamination by food or cleaning products that repel ants, so clean target surfaces with plain water first and place bait along undisturbed trails rather than sprayed or recently wiped areas. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for help with local contractors and gives contractors a way to find work related to home needs like pest management and general repairs. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice for projects and simple pest control methods.